and welcome to this tutorial to accompany week 8 of my picnic on the beach blanket crochet along. I'm Eleonora, the designer behind Coastal Crochet, and all the details about this blanket can be found over on my website www.coastalcrochet.com. So this tutorial is just to cover these yellow pineapple clusters that you see here. We have a whole round of these to form the border of our blanket, and so this tutorial is just for these yellow pineapple clusters here, which is round 4 of week 8. So remember, I use UK crochet terminology. These tutorials aren't to replace the written pattern, they're just to give a bit of guidance on how to work these stitches. And these pineapple clusters are really lovely textured stitches that I really like and really give a nice starting to our borders. So I hope you find the tutorial helpful. So to begin, make sure that the right side of the blanket is facing you, and then we join with yarn E into any corner chain space, like so. And then we make 5 chain, and this 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, counts as the first treble US double crochet plus 2 chain, and we work 1 treble US double crochet into the same corner chain space, like so. And so now we're going to go straight into our round of pineapple clusters. So if you look at the written pattern, go to the abbreviations and there will be pineapple cluster and the written description will be there, although I'll show you what to do now. So looking at the pattern for this round, it begins by making 1 chain, like so, and then miss the next stitch. Now remember, because we've got the right side of the work facing, and this previous round, the white round, was also made with the right side facing, the tops of the stitches sit just to the right of the posts. So the very first stitch of the round is this one here, which sits just to the right of this post. So miss this stitch and then work our pineapple cluster into this stitch here. And so looking at the pattern in the abbreviations for pineapple cluster, tells us to do yarn over hook and insert your hook into the stitch like so. Yarn over hook and pull up a loop. Now the key here is not to pull the loop up too much. If you pull it up too tall like so, you're going to have very loose pineapple clusters. Equally, we don't want it really tight. So just pull up a loop, nice and relaxed, not too tall. And we're going to repeat this 3 times more. So everything in the brackets, we do 4 times in total. So it's another yarn over hook, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over hook and pull up a loop. Yarn over hook, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over hook and pull up a loop. We've done it 3 times, so one more time. Yarn over hook, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over hook and pull up a loop. And so now it tells us to do yarn over hook and pull through the first 8 loops only. Now obviously it's very difficult to count the loops, so I will show you. Basically it's all of these except not this final loop here. So this is loop 1, got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9 loops in total on the hook, and we're going to do yarn over and pull through the first 8 loops only, not pulling through this last one here. So yarn over hook, pull through the first 8 loops on the hook. Can be a bit tricky to get your hook through all those loops, but do persevere. Like so, then you'll have 2 loops on the hook, and then it's yarn over hook and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Like so. And that's our first pineapple cluster. And that's how we're going to be working our pineapple clusters going all the way around. So 1 chain, miss the next stitch, pineapple cluster into the next stitch. So I'll show you one more time. Yarn over hook, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over hook, pull up a loop. Do this 4 times in total. 2, 3, and 4, yarn over, pull through the first 8 loops only, which then gives you 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through those 2 loops. And that's the second pineapple cluster. 1 chain, miss the next stitch, pineapple cluster into the next one. And we're going to repeat this all the way around. And the pineapple clusters give such lovely texture. And there you can see the 3 that I have done. Lovely texture, little pineapple effect at the top, reminding us of all those gorgeous juicy drinks on our picnic on the beach. And so here you can see I've worked quite a few more, and it just gives this lovely textured effect. So 1 pineapple cluster, 1 chain in between them and missing the stitch below. And this is what we do all the way around. And in the corners we're just working the 1 treble US double crochet, 2 chain, and then a further treble US double crochet. And so we do this all the way around our blankets. So I hope you found the tutorial helpful. Lovely, simple stitch that really sets off our borders nicely. Thanks for watching.